stitch number 15 is the perfect stitch to simulate an overlock along a raw edge piece of fabric or something that is unraveling on the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. So it actually calls for foot C. So C has this little blade along the side, so I'm going to be able to guide the fabric easily in the right position as that stitch jumps over the edge and into air. Now, if you've ever done a zigzag stitch and then you notice your fabric kind of curls and it's not flat anymore, that is because you were using a standard foot. So this foot actually has a pin in there, a little finger. So make sure you don't use this when you're doing like straight stitches because that's not going to work. You're going to break your needle by hitting it. But what that finger does is supports the stitch so it comes out perfectly flat when you're sewing along the edge of fabric. So whether it's lightweight fabric or something that is a little heavier, there is room for the thread to kind of go down underneath the foot into the back next to that little guide. You set that along the edge of your foot and you just go ahead and start to stitch. It's that easy. So you just pick the stitch and sew along the edge, and then that way when you go to wash this item, it's not going to unravel any further. So if you've ever had fabric that unravels in the wash, you know what I'm talking about. So after you do the cut, just find your way, just slide it out and see how that has secured that edge. So there's no more unraveling edges along that edge. So I was guiding it a little bit on the close side here, but when I was guiding it where I should have been, I get that perfect flat stitch all the way down. So whether you do it on each edge before you sew something together, or if you do it after you've sewed two layers together and you overlock both edges at the same time, the foot is truly the key for perfect overlock stitches.